Hey, Bubba. Hey, Jackson. You having fun in your rubber ducky tubby? Chewing on your baby duckies? So much fun. What are you doing? Can you show us how to splash? Show us how to splash. Jackson, show us how to splash. And we're just going to chew fish and duckies. There we go. You're getting me wet, buddy. You're soaking your mommy. Is that your intention? Are you having fun in there? Say hi, everybody. Bath time is fun. I like it. It's my favorite. Yeah, no interest in the camera today. He's in his bath. Everything in the mouth. Hi! You're getting my phone wet, buddy. What are you doing? Jackson. Say bye-bye. Jackson. Yoo-hoo. Jackson. Jackson. Where's that? Jackson. Hey, Bubba. The end.